The Cumbre Vieja, meaning Old Peak, is an active volcanic ridge on the island of La Palma in the Canary Islands, Spain. The spine of Cumbre Vieja trends in an approximate north-south direction and covers the southern half of La Palma, with both summit ridge and flanks pockmarked by over a dozen craters. The latest eruption, currently ongoing, began on September 19, 2021 in a forested area of Las Manchas locality known as Cabeza de Vaca. Lava flows from the new vent soon reached inhabited areas, thousands of residents were evacuated, and thousands of buildings have since been destroyed. The previous two eruptions on the island were in the 20th century, in 1949, Volcán San Juan, and in 1971, Volcán de Neguilla. La Palma is a volcanic ocean island located on the African plate and is currently, along with Tenerife, one of the most volcanically active of the Canary Islands. Since about 125,000 years, all subaerial eruptions on La Palma have been associated with the Cumbre Vieja, with eruptions ranging over the whole 25-kilometer-long ridge. Submarine surveys show that the Cumbre Vieja continues south of Punta de Fuencaliente, the point of the hot source, but no volcanic activity connected with the submarine extension has yet been observed. Historical eruptions on the Cumbre Vieja occurred in 1470, 1585, 1646, 1677, 1712, 1949, 1971, and 2021. An earthquake swarm started under Cumbre Vieja on September 11, 2021. It slowly migrated to the surface, with earthquakes up to around 5 on the Richter scale, and over 25,000 recorded in the space of 10 days. On 19th of September at 15:15 local time, the volcano started erupting, in Cabeza de Vaca in the Montaña Rajada Mountains, in the Las Manchas section of El Paso municipality. A yellow warning was issued, covering 35,000 people in the municipalities of Los Llanos de Aradane, Fuencaliente, El Paso and Villadamazo. Later raising to its highest level, red, due to the eruption. A total of around 6,000 people are expected to be evacuated from the area. When will the eruption end? Write it in the comments. And if you like, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.